Hi, this is the red girl. She's 2 weeks old, and she weighs 2 pounds 3 ounces. She's the same size as the white boy. They're the two largest in the litter right now. But we're still just eating milk. At the end of next week, we'll start some little puppy cereal, and then we'll start to see some more changes in each one of the puppies. Good girl. There you go. Good. A little slippery there. This is nice because it shows they can see more of the head than what you just capture in a still shot. But they all have nice clear markings, and what's a little bit sooty in the front will clear up, and nobody has any white on them. And they should start hearing in a couple days because all the ears are starting to drop down. So, okay.